Why do you need to start a business and why with Digital Master? First of all, kung ikaw ay magne-negosyo, here are two things you need to consider. Number one, ang business na sisimulan mo must be a business na pwede mo i-part-time. Number two, the business must be leveraging. Meaning, in 5 to 10 years time, pwede ito mag-work kahit wala ka. In short, no work but with pay. So, anong mga businesses ang pwede mo simulan these days? Kung meron kang 20K dyan ngayon, pwede kang mag-start ng tempura business. May 50K ka, sari-sari start ka na. 100K, tayo ka na ng internet shop. 500,000, pwede rin filling station. At kung meron kang 50 million pesos, mag-franchise ka na ng fast food chain katulad ng Jollibee. Now, here's the question. Saan sa mga businesses ngayon ang leveraging? Na in 5 to 10 years time, pwede ito mag-work kahit wala ka. The answer is only Jollibee. Another question, may 50 million pesos ka na. Kabayan, why start a business with Digital Master? Our business is leveraging but we don't require you 50 million pesos. At good news, pwede mo ito gawin part-time. So build a business with us and start your leverage business assets sa kaunting puhunan lamang. Here's a tip. Nagsimula ako dito bilang estudyante. So meaning, ang puhunan natin is student-friendly, hindi ganun kabigat, at alam kong kayang-kaya mo. So I want you to be part of this community and start your leverage business with us.